I will run, I will climb, I will soar.
Molweni guys, molweni. molweni, welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. Welcome. Thank you so much for pressing that play button. Thank you so much, my love. If you are new here, you see this face, you are new here and you see this face for the first time. My name is Kolnicks Mfundisi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you fall in love. I hope you subscribe so you can be part of this family. I was Hannah. So today I'm starting this new vlog. It's very late. And it's starting to be dark. No lighting, dark. I know the quality, and they are always for this quality of this clip because it's gonna be dark. But it is still I'm gonna do it because if I don't do it now, I don't have time. There is no other time. So on the first day, like and told myself, I'm gonna do this haul with you. I want to show you things that I got to plug you in a way. If you like something, of course, you want to be the plug. So yeah, I have three hauls. The first haul is from this place, the linen shop, Kolnicks. It's Kolnicks. There's a branch on, is it Fort Tracker or Devon Road? I think it's Devon Road. If you are from Belleville, between Belleville and Tiger Valley, yeah, I think it's Devon Road. There's a shop on that side. There's also a store, Goodwood, Athlone. Yeah, they're selling linen. We're not bedi, we're not tawli. Kuningi. So I went there, place at Devon Road because you're so yes, show you about what I got there. I'm gonna start with the big stuff now. I'm gonna start with big items. I got this inner. This inner is for 3/4 because the second bedroom then kuyo ne bed and the bed is 3/4. So on the table nayo inner. This inner was, I paid $2. Depending on my sleep, you can go sell my scooter. And I know price and the pizza, but it was 200 and some, 209. Just love, yeah. I also got this one for my bed. My bed is queen size. I bought this one for $299. It was $300. Guys, they don't know who because I was like, I can't even give can men div quality mamayo son. So yeah, I got the 2 inners. Then I got this duvet cover. This one is for the small bed, which is 3/4. It was 342 rand, and then I got 40% off. In most of the items they were 40% off, so I paid how much? 200 and what? From 342 I paid two. But I paid 200 and something up, not 340, not 342 labor up, ne? Yeah. And then for my bed, I'm so excited for this one and I can't wait. Let me see bed yum. Oh, I can't wait to make my bed, Sana. Oh, I love you, sweethearty. I love you, okay? 100% cotton. This one. The normal price was $6.99. Normal price. And then ndayifumana mna nge-480. Canibale, guys. I'm not good with medicine. Canibale. But it was 700 minus 40%, ne? Yeah. Ndafumana ezithu this size. This is the size. Nakulena color. Normal price is 59. Won't many less between man. Sleep. Yini bende isokol sakana nasi sleep. Okay. So I duvet inner le 3/4. Ifumene nge-240. Okay, ifumene nge-240. And then lena ye queen ndayifumana nge-300 bengishilo mos ne. And then lena ndayifumana nge-420 from 700 ne. From 700 I got it for 420. And then this one from 342 I got it for 171 rand. These two towels, each apha be 60 rand ne. Then mna ke ngoku ndazifumana ngamalini 47 rand each. From 60 rand afumana 47 rand each. Then ke wona bese ndisithengelana lena the guest towel. This one I got it for 20 rand. From 25 rand or 25 rand like when I 20 rand. What else did I buy at Kolnicks? Kolnicks. What else did I buy? That was all, ne? Right. Now let's move to Woolworths. At Woolworths, there is nothing much. At Woolworths, there is nothing much. At Woolworths, there is nothing much. I got this belt. The 179. I hope you can see. Yes. Oh, also these sunnies. This many Woolworths. It was 149. And then my sandals. It is not big. And then guys. And then I got these. Yeah, they were 300 to 99. Now let's move to Denim SA. At Denim SA, I got 3 jeans. The first one is in this color. All the jeans guess hana at Denim SA. Sinyukile ngoku it was 250, now it's 300. Yeah. Ndikhoke guys, this is size 20. Size 20. Yeah, first jean. 15. Guys, equality. Oh, kumamayo. Oh, quality. Funa uyithetha iquality yes jeans. Andifuna uyithetha. Andifuna uyithetha. And then the third one is this grayish color. Andithandi ndiyalalaza. Andithandi ndiyalalaza. Now let's go to Mr. Price. Let's go to Mr. Price. And Mr. Price, I got this shirt. And I got it in extra large. Yeah. And it's 219. 220. I got this top jersey situation. Also in extra large. It was 279. Underwear's Scar Junior. And then this top. This top. I'm not sure again the size again. No, I can't fit it. I can't fit it. I got it in extra large now, and this one was 139. Because like it's zumbulu zofaka kuna. Zabe ziyaphela kanjani. Izumbulu zofaka zabe ziyaphela kanjani. I went to Chinese to buy a ring light. Guys, a ring light yami nayo. Yena ilibale Eastern Cape. So, ngithenge enye so that ngithenginceda again because now when I go back to Eastern Cape, I won't have to buy okanye take this with me. I know bayikhona endindile ekhaya yebona. So now I thought, oh okay, it's fine. There's my yaphana, then ndathenga enye ke ring light. So I still have to install ke ngoku. Yeah, bro. I still have to install ndidibanise into zakhona. Also by Chinese, I got this chalkboard for 65 rand. Purple Chinese. I got this scarftin. It's cute, man. Vendors stand. Vendors teen. The fucking ones are born. For Chinese again, I got these artificial flowers because don't take flowers oko. So that you can enough flowers then sparka oko. As you can see up, so yeah, I was hoping, I'm not sure man, but as this class in like this was better for but I'll see. But I still have to get a vase for this one. And not enough vase. Then the mana no baka baby. I'm thinking no baka baby. Power Chinese. Because nyakumbula glass flock I'm sitting na baka. Yeah. So I got this one for Juju. We now have a school bag, a new one. Yeah. What else did I buy? Oh, it's gonna be a clan de lupe haul. So guys, I got 2 of these. You know, the storage thingy. There's the storage container. Yeah, I got 2, and each was 40 rand, 39.99. Yeah, I got this cutie for my classroom. I still have to decide if I'm gonna put these or these. I have not yet decided, ne? Okay, yeah, I don't know. I'll see. But I got this. It was 39.99 also. This one is spoon rest. Yeah, I got this one because sana beninginayo and wine ngazibona spoon rest. Zobe ngilisa ikhabhathi sami ngecephe. So yeah, it was 34.99. I got these highlighters for 24.99. Because so many people was working they can. But no, come the back. But this start. Okay. It's 4 inside. It's 4 inside. Right? Now because ziyayenza into ngizofaka ku-stationery, ngizofaka kwi-pencil case yami. Yeah. Yeah. And I got 5 of these. Yeah, is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 5 of these. Fridge or pantry bin. So uyakwazi organize ngazo fridge okanye phaya ekhabhathini. I got 5 because enye yespicy. Apha kum enye izoba yespicy ne. And then enye ibe ye-fruit. Ezi-2 mhlambi be-veg. And then A1 ndizayisebenzisa somewhere else phaya ekhabhathini. Faka mhlawumbe into ezishekayo xa ndifaka apha bakho ezaa nto ezishekayo then I can put here sihlale kakuhle wethu. So yeah, that's all ke masana epep. And this one was, it's 49.99 each. Yeah, yeah ke bandasi yaphinde bonane. For now I'm signing out. For now, I'm signing out. Come here.
At the sight of you, when's inhliziyo yami ngiyajabula uma ngibona wena, ngiyajabula uma ngibona wena, nengqondo iyaphola yaphola. Ufika nini kanti uyoyithola seyimimo kwangempela, inhliziyo ibulawa inkumbulo, ngihlelelana ngibalela wena ingoma, ngihlelelana ngibalela wena ingoma. Ay mama iyakhala sithandwa sami, vela ufike sibuke sobabili. Ngiyosuke ngingasafuni raise the tap before it floods. You listen first, that's how I know it's love. That's how I know. You are my soft place after the world is loud, where I don't perform, where I can sit down. You are my soft place, no questions asked, just tea, just truth, just us, just that.
They say the soft answer breaks a hard day.
You don't rush joy, you let it land. You don't fix me, you hold my hand. When I go quiet, you don't compete. You wait with me until my heart can speak. You wait. My soft place, my soft place. Where do you rest in you? Where do you hide in us? Love that shouts is often scared. Love that's calm has already prayed. A man who listens feeds the house. A woman at peace builds it. You are my soft place when faith is thin. When I'm tired of being strong, you let me be human.
Hey my loves, hey bandase. Today it's Sunday. This morning being rush. So I went to church, but I did not vlog that because I went late. So yeah, Londo. Now I'm from church. I was wearing this dress. I wore it on my previous vlogs. Yeah man, from Ngoji guys, and there's no Gamale shop because they've managed Ngoji. One arm situation. Scooter. There's the dress. So I was also wearing my blazer on top. So now it's afternoon. Now it's Sunday afternoon. We decided to go out with my family. My sisters sahamba ke ngoku sithi maske sinilwandle sike simane sibreeze sibethe umoya kuthi hu bekutshisa kakhulu izolo eKapa guys. Kutshisa kakhulu namhlanje kuzanye upholiswa but still sisahefuzela sisabilile. So yeah, let us go to the beach. We are going to the beach to spend our afternoon. Sizamile ke upheka. Phofu ndenda pheka this morning. We chakalaka potato salad. Then sakana salad eqaleni grilled salad. So apha endleleni ke usawufumana i-rolls. Apha endleleni sawufumana i-rolls nenyama nedrinki. Sibe right, sibe grand. So for now ke bandase Masambe.
Yeah. No they rush. I no need big talk. I need consistency. Plenty people promise, but they no get memory. You show up steady even when it hard. Effort way honest, they reach out. Now patience, now power, patience. No they rush, love make it breathe. If it pure, it go stay. No they rush, love hold on well. Walk be fast, feet fail.
Them say anything will last. No they hurry.
You know loud, but you deep. When I quiet, you know leave. You know first joy, you allow and grow. You know shake root, you let them hold. Now patience, now power. No they rush, no they rush. Who they my corner? Now you. Who they my matter? Now we. Love way shout they hide fear. Love way come they sincere. Fast road, get plenty bottle. Steady step, reach home. No they rush, love make you stay. If you really no go fade. No they rush, love day by day. What they wait, the sweet past.
Siphathe cho. Unyibamba ibhuti omnyama phana. Hey bheke ukuthi into yongabelungisa ibhuti. Sifela loo nto. Sifela loo nto. Hayi, soso.
Yophelele. Hayi ngotho. Hayi.
Ingotho.
Helele.
Makatha. Khangela.
Makatha. Ubona ngotho.
Take me to the place where the river runs wild. To the place, a place with fruit or life. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day. River runs wild. Take me to the place where the grass is green, oh yeah. To the place where the bees never sting. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day, where the grass is green, oh yeah. to the place where the river a place with fruit or light. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day. River runs wild. Take me to the place where the grass is green, oh yeah. To the place where the bees never sting. This place in my dreams, this place is in my head all day, where the grass is green, oh yeah.
Ngoku I'm craving. Andijaji ne. Hayi sana, I'm craving muffins. Ndiyazifuna ngamndonke. So ngizakwenza sona quickly ngoku, then ndihlambe uboy because yena akakahlambi. So I have this container. I have this mix, kind of like chocolate mix. Upper I have mixed 2 eggs, water and cooking oil. Ne? Yeah. So I'm gonna bring this together.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh bandase, okwandisithi ndiyayivala. I'm done baking. Nibonile muffins zam ziphumile. I want to thank you so much for watching up until this far. Thank you. Oh nina, umuntu nimsupport dizzy. Nina, ngase ndini. Xa ningayeki ke. Ndicela ningayeki. Nenze njalo nakwabanye. Thank you so much bandase. I will see you on the next one. Please take care. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, to your mother, to your father, to your uncle, to your auntie, to your friend of a friend. When I'm saying this, ndikumbula uKhanye Madikiza. She's no longer a keeper now. Instagram. If you want to check it out, you can do. It's Khanye Madikiza. Yeah. Intro years back, mango 2020. She used to say hi to your mother, to your friend, to ooh. Dear Lord, Baba in Bandase. I'm taking a rest. In fact, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you so much. Mwah.